Hello, bros and broettes.
Wait, I was starting. Okay, do it again.
Hello, bro. Hello, bros and broettes.
I'm Capital Bro C.
I got my giant.
And I'm the Capital Bro D.
And yes,
We're back. We're
Yes.
back with another bang.
Back with another banger.
another banger.
Another banger.
I think for today's video, we went through XM. So for the people that has been keeping up with the channel, we are partnered with XM.
Yes.
And
yes.
today's video will basically be copy trading.
Yes.
So
we'll go over everything about copy trading, all that you need to know.
Sponsored video.
yes,
Hopefully.
definitely sponsored. And if you're gonna
yeah.
be part of this, not financial advice or anything, use CAPBROS as when you do sign up, if you're gonna sign up.
And also, happy Friday.
Yeah.
No, nigga, it's gonna
Happy
be
Friday.
We're cutting
This is
down.
gonna be
It's
Sunday.
coming out Sunday, but happy Friday.
Friday, yeah.
Hope you had a great week.
Okay, so guys, for the people that's watched the first video, we're not gonna go over XM. We're just basically gonna go over the copy trading section of this. So in order to be part of the copy trading, you need an investor account,
Yeah.
which you will do once you go to the copy trading tab, which is here on the left. You'll just see it here. So once you go here, they will ask you to open an investor account. That's straightforward, more or less. You just do that. So yeah.
Now then, full disclosure. He knows a lot about copy trading. I do not.
Neither
So,
do I.
yeah,
Neither
it's
do I.
Along with you, I'll be learning as well.
Yeah,
As
but
we go
most
along.
of it is basically straightforward. Most of the stuff you're gonna have to read up on your own. Like we'll just guide you through what you have to do, but there's gonna be a lot of reading on your own side, guys. So there's only so much we can do.
Yeah.
So yeah. So once you have done you're registered with XM and stuff, you're gonna have to basically deposit obviously money. And this is where, depending on how much money you want to deposit, that's all the vary on how much you want to.
Into the investor account.
Yeah, into the investor account. So basically, this is all up to you. Basically, use an amount you are comfortable with firstly. So don't invest an amount you are not comfortable of losing.
Now then, my fellow South Africans, an amount that you should be comfortable with is $50.
Yeah, more or less.
Go
More or
over
less,
this.
yeah. So once you've made the XM, like the investor account using CAPBROS and all that majiggy.
You definitely should use. Listen here, use code CAPBROS if
Yeah.
you're thinking about creating an XM account.
Yeah.
The link is down below. Yeah.
So this will be the tab. It looks overwhelming, or kind of doesn't look overwhelming, eh?
Oh,
Too
it looks
much.
overwhelming. It looks overwhelming.
But okay, let me do it quickly, boys. Lama.
Lama.
Take us away, Curtis.
So there is features, best performers, crypto kings, high win ratio. This is basically the people. This is all the people that provides their copy trading to us as the people for doing a trade. So we basically gonna copy their trade.
Yeah.
Copy trading basically means you're just copying the other traders' trades. So that's basically straightforward.
Now please be advised, this is not 100% wins.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not all of them.
These people are high. They maybe have some great win to
Returns.
loss ratios, but
Yeah.
it's not 100%.
And I would say most for the people that has been keeping up, these people are a little bit more experienced than us. We are like eight months to a year into trading. Some of these people might be 5-6 years. So that's why also you want to choose one of them to copy trading from. So choosing a person, basically this is where you have to look at the certain structures. So firstly there's fees, there's win ratio, drawdown, investors, invested amount and own funds. So invested amount, basically the funds the trade is working with, and out of that 4,000 is their own funds. So it's straightforward. There are 4 people invested, they have a fee of 25%, their win ratio is 2 out of 5, this is out of 5. Well, I'm not sure, not out of 5. Win ratio is 2%, drawdown, yeah,
40%.
40%. So this is all the people. So this number here overall is the number you're going to look at, because this number calculates everything together. You can see there's 43%, 42%. If we go down, it is hopefully the each person with the rate just to show. So once you have decided on a person, for this video this is demonstration purpose. We didn't do our research too in depth, but this is just demonstration purpose. We're going to choose the person, the best performers. So yes, best performers, there's crypto kings, high win ratios. So you can choose whichever one you feel comfortable with. So we're just going to choose the best performers, which is this person here, USD. And he has a score of 10. I think the score is out of 10, which is the best people. So we're just going to copy his trades. So here is more information. Highly recommend that you read through this.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
Yeah.
You gonna do that.
Do you see all these words?
But most trades, well, there's 2 ways of how you copy trade. There's an investor amount and there's a fixed multiplier. So we're not going to go into in depth. You can just read up on this on your own. But for the video, we're going to use the fixed multiplier. So
And please pay attention to the font that is in red.
yes, 100%.
It's red.
Oh, that's after. That's
after, yeah. So once you've decided which one you go, we just go at fixed deposit.
Yeah.
And we'll just basically click the default settings on this, which is this. So invest amount equity is 50. We're not gonna copy open trade because we don't want to do that. We just want to, when we place a new trade, that's when we want to basically copy. So there's a take profit and a stop loss. That you can also decide if you wanted to. Once you make maybe 100, you want to take the profit. But we're just gonna keep it open and maybe check now and then what's happening with this account. So we'll just say copy. So not enough funds. Oh, okay. Firstly, we can't choose this person because he has a minimum of 100. So we can't choose this person. So that also you need to keep in mind. So let's check the second best person if they have a minimum deposit. So they also have a minimum deposit of 100. So this is where some people might have a minimum deposit of how much. I think I did mention this in the other broker. So let's check which of the copy trade have $50. So a lot of the top people don't allow.
Damn it!
I would say
$50.
a lot of the higher aces
because they obviously get a feedback from the profits they make. So this person wants $1,000.
If you're my fellow South African.
Start small, obviously. This person wants 200. Where is for our list? Well, okay, let's.
It's a flop. It's flopping.
Listen here.
Most
If you are willing to use $100,
yeah, that's all up to you. Yeah.
Come here.
What?
You heard me.
Oh god.
We're just looking for a person that has. But see, the more like less, it's gonna be a little like the scores less. So let's see also. We're just clicking through, but now we just need to see. A lot of people is 2,000. Our own funds.
I would say copy trading is for
the people that don't want it, but for us, our channel, basically you want to learn trading.
Who are maybe willing to learn trading, however have more than enough capital to throw away. Let's say that. If you're a beginning trader who's willing to risk 200
so for demonstration purpose, obviously we didn't do our research with this person, and this is just for demonstration purpose, so that's why we're going with this, which you shouldn't do. Firstly, obviously go with the person that has a track record and so on, but for this person, this is the person that first person we found that has a $50.
You gotta find a reputable source.
Yeah. Also, Curtis didn't say track, he said trick.
What the fuck?
Track. No, it was this
It
one.
was that one,
Yeah. So he has a score of 4 out of 10, but it's green basically. Drawdown is 49%, win fee is 15% invested. Yeah, 7 people invested. Own fund is $1,000 and invested amount is 350. So he's basically invested amount is going to be 400 with our $50. So we'll just click copy. Once again, read through this. Basically quick, and then we'll just say we don't want to do this. No take profit, no stop loss, and we'll just say copy. And there we go. So that's basically it to copy trading. So obviously you can come back and check, like at least I would say at least once a week come check what this trader is doing, because you want to see also what trades is taking, all of more of the nitty-gritty with regards to copy trading. And then you basically just wait and sit back.
Honestly, in my opinion, because this is my first, like not my first time, but this is a more in-depth version, I mean an in-depth view of copy trading. But in my opinion, I feel like this is lazy trading, you know?
To be, and like I would say, like I would advise, not say just take it what I would do. I'll basically invest this $50 and basically learn. And even if you lost it, you will learn more from losing that $50 than actually believing in someone else and trading for them. But it's also for the people that if you have a high capital, for example 200 or K, you can let someone else trade for you and basically just get the profits. But there's always a risk of that person losing your money, so keep that also in mind. So let's just go back to the portfolio just to see what more how the account looks. So there's basically it's active. This is when we did start date, and here we can see our close profit, or open loss if it has to be a loss. Fees are 15%. So if this person makes to take this $50 into $100, they take 50% of that $50.
15%.
Yeah. So that's basically copy trading. So you can check, basically take it from there, and yeah. That's the video, I think.
Yes,
we've covered it to a D, and obviously do more research, guys.
If you want to go further into depth, please do what he said. Read up more on it. We haven't really gone through everything here. We've just gone through the gist of things. Yeah, Jody, take us away.
What? I gotta take us away. God damn it.
Yeah.
Guys, we're back with another banger.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed today.
Go.
I'm gonna fucking cut this video, brother.
Go.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you're gonna use it, CAPBROS it up, man.
But always remember, guys, always remember, when doing these things, just like Curtis said, has to be a reputable person that you trust.
Yeah.
Don't
And
just
also,
look over and see that this guy's winning, you know.
And also, always remember that if you're going to open an account, use code CAPBROS down in the link
becoming
right
actual
now.
YouTubers now.
You plugged it like 3 times
in this video. So yeah, we are the Capital Bros.
We are the Capital Bros.
Check in another one. Peace out, guys.
Peace.